If you want to remove the header and footer in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you the exact steps. Whether you're cleaning up a document for printing, making a report look more professional, or just trying to get rid of extra space at the top and bottom of the page, this is a really simple fix once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, click on Writer Document to open a new or existing text document. After your document is open, go to the top of the page and click inside the header area if you want to remove the header, or click inside the footer area if you want to remove the footer. This helps you make sure you're working with the correct part of the page layout. Next, look at the menu bar at the top of LibreOffice and click Format, then choose Page Style. This opens the page style settings, which is where LibreOffice stores the options for headers and footers. Depending on your version, this may open a dialog box with several tabs across the top. Now, go to the Header tab if you want to remove the header, or the Footer tab if you want to remove the footer. Inside that tab, you'll see an option like Header On or Footer On. Simply uncheck that box to disable it. This tells LibreOffice that you no longer want that section displayed on the page. Once you've made the change, click OK to save the settings. LibreOffice will immediately remove the header or footer from the document. If you had text, page numbers, or formatting in that area, they will disappear along with it. If you want to remove both the header and the footer, just repeat the same process for each one. Go back into Format, then Page Style, and uncheck the other option as well. This is useful if you want a completely clean page layout with no extra elements at the top or bottom. A quick tip: if you're editing a long document, removing the header or footer from the page style can affect all pages using that same style. So before you confirm the change, make sure that's what you want. In many cases, this is the fastest way to clean up the entire document at once. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the header and footer in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.